Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have been finding it difficult to pay your supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to pay your supplier directly in China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this promises to be a step-by-step tutorial. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or idlefish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to pay directly to a supplier in China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add your product to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel. I have a lot of video on how you can add a product to cart on 1688. After you have successfully added a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to fill your cart. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Now let's see how we can simply pay your supplier within a few minutes. So first thing first, make sure you select all the products you want to pay for. So I'm going to pay for this product. I'm going to pay for this. And I will scroll down. I'm going to pay for this. Then I'm paying for this. Then I'm going to scroll down. I'm paying for this. It's that simple. So once you select every product you are paying for, you are going to see everything right here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you can see everything right here. Check on all the products so far. Then continue to check and scroll down and check everything. So in this video, I'm paying the sum of 364 yen to all this supplier in China. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So right here, you have different options to make payment. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Alipay. So by default, it has been checked. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password right here. All payments done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then I have to go back to my profile. For me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So I pay for about different 5 stores in 1688. So you're going to see everything right here. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Is that simple. If you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or idlefish, or you want me to procure a link on 1688 or any of the Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.